How do you create a classroom where students are engaged in purposive learning that is both empowering and exciting at the same time, especially if there are 40 to 50 students in a classroom? How do you then balance guided instruction with independent learning using technology in an effective way that enables both student and teacher? The Curriculum Company's groundbreaking T-Learning platform opens up a whole new world of teaching and learning through its most innovative tablet learning ecosystem, ThinkTab for K-12. ThinkTab is a potent combination of content, assessment, analytics in an interactive digital format designed to provide a wholesome learning experience for every student. With ThinkTab, students are able to learn at their own pace, do projects, make notes, bookmark teacher instructions, explore understanding by collaboration with fellow students, participate actively in the classroom, be it quick assessments, polls, opinions, discussion boards, and so on. How can teachers overcome restrictions over single content usage like textbooks? How can they just simply go beyond and enhance teaching learning environments to make their students 21st century ready? How can technology be used to practice differentiated instruction in today's diverse classrooms? And most importantly, how can teachers be more efficient and accurate in assessment of students so it improves learning and understanding? ThinkTab uses TCC's innovative T-Learning platform to empower teachers with a unique end-to-end classroom management system. So what does T-Learning do? It helps the teacher transform an ordinary one-to-many class to a remarkable one-to-one class. It enables a superior digital experience at every child's fingertips, enhanced learning through audio and video formats, with the teacher guiding student learning at all times, and she remains connected with every child in her class. The teacher can broadcast multiple content to every student in her classroom, be it through preloaded interactive content, wikis, Khan Academy resources, or rich stories that could inform thinking and learning. She could do this inside her class or get students to do a simple learning task at home. And then she could have discussions, debates, create questions on the fly, choose and match learning difficulty levels of questions to students, and roll out these quick dipsticks every day effortlessly in her classroom. What with assessment through ThinkTab taking just a few seconds, students get instant and accurate feedback, teachers save so much time. They are able to measure learning and address gaps almost immediately in real time. ThinkTab and T-Learning provide opportunities for teachers to flip their classrooms to create efficient and individualized life-wide learning.